good bubbles. Bubbles.
She put it in the chair.
Hi, baby.
Yay! Let's just hope none of that gets into her eyes. I can't imagine it'd be too...
Watch it.
Got it in your eye? Okay. Yeah, did you see the bubble? It popped already. Do it again.
It popped. Look.
Oh, Marie, that's a huge one.
I popped her. Popped on my face. And the bubbles popped.
Yay, Lexi, you're making all sorts of bubbles.
One of them landed in the dish. I popped it and it was rainbow.
Wow.
Wow.
Yay. Good job. They're still floating.
Well, we made lots of little bubbles. Oh, great. There's only 2 left. Yum.
Bubbles. Okay, go ahead.
I already have to get it back. I already did it. Good. That was
Good job,
out of your
Lex.
hair. Good job getting it.
It'll be easy to give you a bath tonight. Oh, you sitting on the ball like Mommy's doing? That's kind of a small ball.
Yeah, but you can sit on it. Wow, look at this, Jamie.
Wow. Yay, Lex. Oh, gotta go sit on the ball. It's a very small ball.
I made gigantic. Jamie, watch this.